to videotape some of this extremely heavy snow still. It's about 7:57, so 8 o'clock. We've got upwards of 8 inches of snow so far since 3 o'clock this morning, and it is just really coming down. The wind's starting to pick up. I would say a few of these wind gusts have been upwards of 30, 35, maybe even close to 40, but heavy snowfall. And here in the pine trees behind me, it's almost impossible to even. Here we go, here's the wind. Again, this is Muskegon, Michigan here. It's about 8 o'clock Friday morning, 19th of December. So we're gonna go take a little drive. Entering the expressway now, and this is 31 going north, and I am only going to be on here for a few minutes because this is not very good. Matter of fact, I'm going to stop recording this quick because it's just too dangerous.